here talking. We are going to Milan, and there is a ballet at the Teatro Scala. It's the main Italian theater. We are waiting for Matteo, and he's my best friend, and he's the one who had the idea of the blog. Chi qua? Ciao, come stai? Molto bene. Fa tutto fare sì. Grazie. So guys, next week we should be in Iraq, and today the kites for the children of the refugee camp arrived, so we hope that we will give to them, but the USA are bombing now Syria, so there could be some troubles to arrive in Iraq, and I hope we don't have to delay our trip. Let's see what happens. So this guy is organizing, because in Milan everything happens in every minute. It's like a sort of little town it's like a little New York. And he's organizing a concert in
Teatro, Scala.
He's organizing a concert in Rome. Is that he doesn't speak English at all?
No, it's not true.
It's such a mess to drive in Milan. Such a mess. It's true. We are going to give these to a very kind lady, and this lady that posed for me for an article in a magazine, she's a friend of Maria Callas, and so you will see here now the pictures. We are going to her house to give this to her. Let's go on with this very long day in Milan. Oh, poor lady. She fell down, so she broke her wrist, and the leg, so she couldn't be on the video, and I didn't want to disturb her. Okay, let's go. Guys, we are heading to the mountains, and this is the story. Today we should have been in Iraq to the refugee camp of the UNICEF to bring help and aids to the children. I'm so sorry about that. USA is bombing Syria, so it's too dangerous, and our Bureau of Foreign Affairs, something like that, doesn't allow us to go there. So guys, we are in Cortina da un pezzo. So guys, this is paradise. Oh, truly, huh? This is the heart of Alps and truly amazing indeed. Okay, here we are. This is Cortina. So beautiful. Amazing springtime. Huh? Se ti piace la foto mi sembra molto bella. Si vede il lettino, si vede la cosa, si vede tutto.
Sì.
No?